an option.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so let's see. Okay, so the locking mechanism part is missing on that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And then
Good. What I don't. All right, so we got some flooring. Tile here is coming up. The strip's cracked.
yeah, it's just a piece of plastic, and obviously this is the highest traffic.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it could all be replaced. All right, so in the tub, we just need a new handle. I can get a replacement for it, and that'll be solved. This is loose, so we'll fix that too. All right. Okay, go ahead. I'm recording now to see what happens. Okay. And then when does this happen? When it comes back?
All the way at the top.
Yeah.
It won't release to go back down. It like seizes up,
Mm-hmm.
and it takes a couple of pushes to get it to go down.
Okay. Go ahead.
So yeah, it wouldn't do that. It would seize up and just stop. Seize up and just stop.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it was the cold temperature,
Cold temperatures can cause these kind of problems.
especially with the
Yes.
non-insulated garage.
For sure, it's freezing out here.
But we
Yes.
had the problem before it got super cold.
Okay. Well, then it's not
So-
that. But it ain't doing it now,
No.
so I can't really
Yeah,
assess it
no,
right now.
nope.
When it's actually
I'll
doing
video
it,
We can take a bit.
these
It's
no good. For a very light door. You have a heavy duty door.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can get you new clothes, or more than likely I'll try to get that done for you. It's not a big deal.
Okay.
He usually lets me fix doors like that. Okay, so we got the new handle here, and go ahead and just put that piece in. This is the part that was broke on the old one. As you can see, here it was snapped. It's broke right there, so let's go ahead and it's a pretty easy install. Basically, all right, so here's the new handle on there. Just one side is cold, other side is hot, like it's marked. Works perfectly, and then the center is off, and it works perfect. So that's done. Then we had a little bit of a loose panel here. We just tighten that up. That should be easy enough. Maybe a little more tightening right here. Okay. All right, that's fixed. Perfect. All right. All done. All right, so we replaced the very small closer with the heavy duty one. It's made for this weight of a door. And as you can see, no more slamming, risking the glass get broke. And it just slowly comes back like it should. And then it will close like that perfectly. So that's solved now. And lock it back up there. Done. So hopefully your